That little brown bottle sitting in your medicine cabinet right now costs about $1 at most drugstores. And yet the average driver pays a mechanic or an auto detail shop somewhere between $300 and $500 every single year for problems this exact same $1 bottle could have fixed in 15 minutes right in their own garage. We are talking about standard 3% hydrogen peroxide. After decades of working around cars and talking to drivers who have been on the road for 30 or 40 years, it still amazes me how many veteran car owners do not know this. The mechanics know it, the professional auto detailers know it, they just do not volunteer the information. Because every corroded battery terminal, every cloudy headlight, and every stained car seat is a hefty service charge they get to collect. If you have been ignoring that brown bottle, or only using it for minor cuts, you are quietly losing hundreds of dollars annually on basic routine vehicle maintenance. Today, we are breaking down the top 7 ways hydrogen peroxide can replace expensive automotive products and services. And stay until the end, because the #1 spot on this list is a 20-minute trick that will save you $150 the very next time your car's interior needs a deep clean. Let us get started with number 7. Number 7. Clean and disinfect cup holders and console crevices. You are driving to work, you reach for your morning coffee, and you notice the bottom of your cup holder is a sticky, dusty mess. It happens to everyone. Over the years, spilled coffee, dropped change, and sticky candy residue turned those little storage spaces into the dirtiest places in your vehicle. Think about what happens when sugary liquids bake in a hot car interior day after day. They harden into a sticky lacquer that physically bonds with the plastic. That sticky layer then becomes a magnet for dust-dead skin cells and a biofilm of bacteria. Scrubbing it with a dry napkin just pushes the dirt around, and expensive chemical interior cleaners often leave a greasy film that just attracts more dust. This is where your $1 bottle comes in. Dip an ordinary cotton swab in 3% hydrogen peroxide. Run it directly around the inside of every cup holder, every console crevice, and every air vent slat. When the peroxide touches that organic sticky residue, it physically breaks down the sugar bonds and kills the bacteria on contact. It dissolves the grime without damaging or drying out the plastic underneath. 2 minutes of work, and the parts of your car you touch the most are genuinely clean for the first time in years, all for less than a penny. That is an easy cosmetic fix. But our next trick handles a safety issue that every driver faces when the temperature drops and the auto care aisle wants you to pay $8 a bottle to solve it. Number 6. Defrost car windows fast in winter. It is a freezing cold morning. You are running late for work. You step outside and your windshield is completely encased in a thick sheet of ice. Most drivers grab an ice scraper and spend 10 minutes freezing their hands off, or they reach for a commercial de-icing spray that costs $8 a bottle. What the auto care aisle does not tell you is that those expensive sprays are mostly just water mixed with a little alcohol. When you spray standard hydrogen peroxide on ice, its chemical makeup physically lowers the freezing point of the water it touches. It forces the solid ice to melt back into a liquid state almost instantly without damaging your wiper blades or the rubber weather seals around your windshield. Mix 1 part of your 3% hydrogen peroxide with 2 parts water in a standard spray bottle. Keep it in your vehicle. When frost hits, spray it directly onto the glass. The ice turns to slush in seconds. You just saved yourself a miserable morning chore and stopped paying retail prices for fancy water. But while this winter trick saves time, our next fix restores a part of your car that ages faster than anything else. Number 5. Brighten yellowed plastic trim. If you have owned your vehicle for more than 5 years, you already know what happens to the black plastic molding around your headlights, door handles, and bumpers. Slowly but surely, the sun turns that deep black into a chalky, faded gray. It makes a perfectly good, reliable vehicle look old and neglected. Most drivers just live with it, or they spend $20 on a bottle of trim restorer from the auto parts store. But those expensive gels are mostly just heavy silicones. They coat the plastic in a greasy shine that washes away the next time it rains. The real issue is UV damage. The sun's rays literally cook the top layer of the plastic, causing it to oxidize and turn white, almost like a sunburn. Standard hydrogen peroxide fixes this at the chemical level. Soak a clean rag in your 3% peroxide and wipe down the faded trim. Let it air dry. Instead of masking the problem, the extra oxygen molecule in the peroxide chemically breaks down that dead oxidized layer of plastic, pulling the original dark pigment back to the surface. Your car looks years younger. The fix actually lasts, and you used a product that cost you about $1. Before we move on to the engine bay, if this kind of straightforward advice is useful, dropping a quick like helps Core Car reach more drivers who need this information. Now, let us get under the hood and look at something that leaves people stranded. Number 4. Clean corroded battery terminals. It is the first cold morning of the year. You turn the key and instead of the engine starting, you hear a rapid clicking sound. You pop the hood. Around the metal battery posts, there is a thick, crusty layer of white or green buildup. Most drivers assume the battery is dead. They pay a mechanic $40 to clean it, or worse, they get sold a brand new $200 battery they did not actually need. That crusty buildup is battery acid corrosion, and it acts as an electrical insulator. It creates a physical barrier between the battery and the engine cables. Your battery has plenty of power, but the electricity simply cannot push through that crust to reach the starter motor. With the engine off and the negative terminal disconnected first, pour a small amount of 3% hydrogen peroxide directly onto the corrosion. You will hear it bubble and fizz loudly. That is the extra oxygen molecule breaking apart the corrosion at the chemical level. Wait 30 seconds, then wipe it completely clean with a rag. Reconnect your cables and your car starts like it did the day you bought it. You just saved yourself a massive repair bill using pennies worth of liquid. I actually had a customer a few years back, an older gentleman who drove a pristine 2004 Chevy truck. He came in ready to pay $300 for a new alternator and battery because his truck simply would not turn over in the cold. I took out my $1 bottle of peroxide, cleaned those terminals in 2 minutes, and handed his keys back. He was speechless. Sometimes the simplest chemistry is all you need. That trick saves you a major headache under the hood. But next, we are looking at a safety hazard that affects your vision every single night. Number 3. Restore foggy yellowed headlights. You are driving at night on a dark, unlit road, and you can barely see the lines in front of you. You know your bulbs are fine, but the headlight lenses themselves look cloudy yellow and completely hazy. Auto detail shops love this problem. They will gladly charge you $80 to $150 for a professional headlight restoration, and a dealership might push you to replace the entire assembly for over $200. That hazy yellow layer is simply oxidation from years of sun exposure. The UV rays degrade the clear plastic, creating a microscopic rough crust that scatters the light from your bulbs instead of letting it project forward into the dark. You can dissolve that crust yourself. Make a simple paste using your 3% hydrogen peroxide and ordinary baking soda. Apply it to a clean cloth and rub the headlight lens in small circles for 2 to 3 minutes. The baking soda acts as a gentle abrasive, while the extra oxygen molecule in the peroxide chemically breaks down the oxidized, dead plastic. Rinse it with clean water and the cloudy yellow lifts right off. Your headlights project a clear, sharp beam again, keeping you safe at night. That is $100 saved on a simple exterior fix. But the absolute biggest ripoff is still coming up, and it is hiding right underneath you while you drive. Let us move to the interior. Number 2. Sanitize the stale odor out of your car. If you have had your car for a few years, you might notice a damp, sweaty odor that never really goes away. No matter how many cardboard air fresheners you hang from the rearview mirror, that heavy smell always comes back, especially on a hot summer day. Auto shops will gladly sell you an overpriced $100 ozone treatment to fix it. But that smell is not just trapped in the seats. It is a living biofilm of bacteria that has settled deep into the carpet fibers and the fabric headliner right above your head. Those cheap air fresheners do not clean anything. They just mask the smell. Mix half a cup of your 3% hydrogen peroxide with 2 cups of water in an empty spray bottle. Lightly mist the carpet of the headliner and the seat fabric. Roll your windows down and let it air dry for 2 hours. The extra oxygen molecule in the peroxide physically destroys the bacteria's cell walls, killing the odor at its source without leaving any harsh chemical fumes behind. You just permanently eliminated the smell instead of hiding it. Before we hit the final spot, if you learned something new today, drop a quick like. Because this last one is the trick most people completely overlook, and it is going to save you the most cash. Number 1. Deep clean and disinfect cloth car seats and floor mats. You have owned your truck or SUV for 10 years. You keep the outside spotless, but every time you open the door, there is a heavy, stale odor. You look at the cloth seats and carpeted floor mats, and they are covered in mysterious dark stains, trapped sweat from hot summers, spilled coffee, and everyday grime. The real problem is not sitting on the surface. That dirt and sweat has been baked into the deep foam padding beneath the fabric by years of intense summer heat inside the cabin. When you pay a professional auto detail shop $150 to $250 for a deep interior extraction, they use specialized chemical enzymes to break down that deep organic matter. But you do not need their expensive chemicals. You just need our $1 brown bottle. Mix 1 cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide with 1 teaspoon of ordinary liquid dish soap and a tablespoon of baking soda in a standard spray bottle. Spray a generous layer over your cloth seats and floor mats. Let it sit untouched for 15 minutes. If you watch closely, you will actually see it foam up and lift the dark dirt. That is the chemical reaction happening in real time. The extra oxygen atom in the hydrogen peroxide physically breaks apart the molecular bonds of the trapped sweat, the coffee stains, and the biological grime. It pulls the dirt out of the deep foam and pushes it right to the surface. Take a soft scrub brush, agitate the fabric gently in small circles, and then blot it completely dry with a clean cotton towel. The heavy stains lift right out. The trapped sweat breaks down. Your vehicle's interior smells genuinely clean, not just covered up with cheap perfume. This single trick is exactly how I restored the interior of my 2008 work truck. It had over a decade of tough stains and smelled like a wet dog. 20 minutes with this exact mixture, and the interior looked and smelled brand new. It saved me a $200 detailing bill on the spot. And it will do the exact same thing for you. How many of these hydrogen peroxide tricks were you already using? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. If this saved you even one trip to the auto shop, subscribing to Core Car is worth it. We design every video to keep money in your pocket. But before you go, there is one more thing most drivers get completely wrong. Core Car's next video covers the fuel myths that are quietly costing you at every fill-up. It is right here. Do not miss it.